What's up, YouTube? And welcome to another episode of
Down South Off-Road and Outdoor.
Seamless, baby. That was your best one yet. So, in today's episode, we're in the woods again. Whoo! All right. But we're kind of feeling lazy. It's Lazy Sunday, right?
Yeah.
So, what are we reviewing today, babe?
Today we have a bare butt hammock.
A what?
A bare butt hammock.
And guys, it's Fat Boy approved. Well, it's supposed to be Fat Boy approved. So, we'll see. Stay tuned. And you're on, babe.
And I'm on.
You're on.
All right, so I've been wanting an easy pop-up hammock for when we take our camping trips, and we wanted it to be lightweight and compact. So we ran across another YouTuber that had this hammock, and it's called the Bare Butt Hammock. Now, the thing with the Bare Butt Hammock is it's supposed to be a double hammock, and it's supposed to hold up to 500 pounds as it is. So,
Ooh, I didn't want to pan off of you, but I guess I got to come in close.
Nice and close. So when you open the package, you have the double hammock that claims to hold up to 500 pounds. And it has some mounting straps.
And what is that, just paracord? Looks like, yeah, to tie that thing up, it's just some paracord. Now...
So now they give you these straps that are supposed to be super easy to strap it to a tree. Now, when I look at this, guys and gals, all I see is an oversized shoestring. And I get that it's super freaking strong, but I'm no Boy Scout and I don't know how to tie knots, okay? That's just not my jam. So one of the other, first of all, this thing is very inexpensive. I think it was only $29.99.
I was gonna say like 30 bucks.
It wasn't very expensive, but they do recommend another strapping option.
It's another bare butt product.
It is bare butt vinyl straps. Now these are supposed to make the hanging process much easier. So let me pull these
Does
out.
that do anything for the weight capacity?
It does, actually. So these, you have two carabiners, and then you have these two nylon straps, and they have these areas that you can just hook it. So this is supposed to increase the weight capacity to 1,000 total pounds. So zoom in there on that. So 500 per, and then 1,000 total pounds. So this thing is supposed to be pretty heavy duty. It's a double hammock. So the challenge or the question is, will it hold the big guy and I at the same time?
As we're moving about. I can't show that on YouTube, but we'll come back to you and let you know in the comments.
Let's check it out. All right. Made from 75D high tenacity nylon taffeta, designed in Utah. And of course, it's red and black to match Bella. We had to go with a match.
Yeah.
So the bag is actually attached.
Well, that's cool.
So that's cool so we don't lose it. And as I open it, it already has carabiners on it.
Yep, so you just...
Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty.
You know, guys, when you're buying a hammock, that's your first priority. It's got to be pretty.
Got to be pretty.
Now, it is pretty badass, though. So I'm guessing you're going to start... we're gonna go from that tree to that tree, folks. So even your little shortsies match the hammock, babe. I don't think that snow camo works in the woods, though.
No?
No, I still see you.
You still see me.
I still see you.
Okay, so this is super cool. So come in here and look at this.
All right, what am I looking at?
So I thought it was just a strap, but look, there's holes all the way down through. So now all you have to do is circle the tree and then hook the carabiner on the size that you want, so you don't have to worry about
wrapping the excess around and
Well, you don't have to worry about the
slack.
about tying up a. Yeah, so this is gonna be. Very
Now, by any chance, babe, did you do any kind of reading on how high you're supposed to put it on the trees for optimum hang or any of that stuff?
What kind of review do you think this is?
So that's
Forget this is down south off-road and outdoor.
So
We
that's a
don't do any
no?
kind of research of
so
that.
so that's a no,
However,
guys. I say you just put it as high as your little short ass can take it.
That's kind of where I'm heading.
Oh, I'm getting the other camera in our shot. It's gonna ruin the cinematography of it. All right, guys, let's just watch her struggle because remember, she's shorty. We have no idea if this is real or how it really works. But by God, it's gonna be fun to watch her fall onto the ground if it's not how it goes.
I'm pretty new in it first.
Oh, that shit ain't happening. You're out of your damn mind.
All right, so there's the first.
All right.
I guess we just hook it in.
Just hook it in. Well, that's simple as shit if that's really...
That's all there is to it.
For some reason, I just feel like
There's more to it.
there's more to it than that. Because, guys, she's not... I wasn't going to say anything, but she's not accounting for how far away that other tree is.
I get it. I said that I would have to adjust.
So I'm just wondering if you're going to need a lot more strap to even this thing up between the
Look,
trees.
Of course I am. Look at it. Of course I am.
Guys, the funnest part of my YouTube experience is watching her just go at shit all willy-nilly with no preparation whatsoever. You know how the Boy Scouts are like, always be prepared? Down South Off-Road and Outdoors, like, never bring anything you need or do research.
I think that one probably needed to be tighter. And see, now they did say you have a little pouch to keep all your shit, which is the bag.
Look at that.
All right, you ready? The moment. Do I fall? Aha.
She's like 1 inch off the floor.
And
1
you
inch.
were telling me I had it too long.
Well, my mistake.
Yeah, see, you should have let me do it.
Now, I will be honest. That is the easiest hammock setup that I have ever seen.
And come look at all this space.
That is quite a bit of space.
It's pretty amazing. Not even gonna lie.
So I guess we're stuck in the woods today in your little hammock cocoon. And like if you put your legs in it, you could cover yourself up in it, right? Boom. You don't even look like a person's in there right now.
No bugs for me.
No bugs for you.
So, this is super awesome. But now, the real challenge.
What?
Both of us in it.
We better take it up a little higher.
We will. So let's take it up higher.
All right. What you gonna do? Go up 2 notches higher on each side? I got a feeling there's about to be a cracked rectum.
That one's good. I think that this will strap needs to be tighter anyway. Now that I figured out how to use it. Because I think you might let me slide it. Alright. Are you ready?
All right. Sure.
Turn that one off.
Hi, YouTube, and welcome to this episode of Jackass. And on this.
So this thing is supposed to hold 1,000 pounds.
All right.
So let's put you in there first. Nice and slow. Don't go back all the way. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know.
You not know how to get in a hammock? Oh God. All right.
All right.
You slide over a little bit.
That's not how a hammock works. Put you in the middle.
Okay. Ready?
All right. I feel like these trees are going to come down on our head. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus.
Move your arm. I got it.
All right, guys. You've seen it here first. Here comes hammock porn.
We're in.
Woo!
Did it.
All right, Bear Butt. Super comfy in here. Oh, super comfy. Super. Oh.
Yeah.
It's definitely a wintertime hammock for two people. Because in the summer, this would be a, oh God. Oh.
Better.
That's better.
Is that better?
All right, guys. Cut that camera off. Cut that camera off.
We got to go. See you, bye. You gotta lean to one side and lean to the other. There we go. Slow rolling. It's not working. I need a paddle.
Will one of our subscribers come swing us?
Yeah, this thing is awesome.
Here, see if it'll hold us. So without getting dirty, guys, we're checking to see if it'll hold. I weigh close to 300 pounds. Kim's like what, 165?
175.
175. I was trying to give her 10 pounds. But yeah, it'll hold up, guys. Great. We should time lapse this. We'll look like little bunny rabbits. All right. That was like the widest raise the roof ever. I'm not gonna lie. Like if there was ever a time that you look like an old white lady named Karen, that was it.
And slowly roll out.
All right.
Going back. All forward.
Oh,
All
shit.
forward.
Help me. You're welcome, YouTube. Jesus.
That was fucking awesome.
You coming in with that big ass? Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. That's my penis. I'm just kidding. It's not. Well, I mean, when you are trying to live in the lap of fucking luxury in the woods, get yourself a bear butt.
Okay.
All right, guys. So, I'm super pumped that you got to saw my fat ass. Got to saw.
Got to
That
saw.
you got to saw my fat ass. You know, getting up and down in here all willy-nilly. But I do want to say this. This was Kimberly's purchase. I wasn't involved in it. And I'll tell you what, I was not looking forward to putting up a hammock in the woods every time we went camping. Because I hated all the little, you know, fly fishing Boy Scout sailor knots that I can't do. However, these straps
Are a game changer.
a game changer. I mean, this hammock is awesome. This is 500 pounds right here. 500 pounds of corn-fed country goodness. And it's holding. It feels comfortable. I really, you know I look like a scared little baby when I was getting in, but I'm not afraid anymore, guys. I feel comfortable in here. And, you know, this thing was what, 29 bucks?
So the hammock was $29, $29.99, and then the straps were $19.99.
Yeah, so the bare butt straps were 20 bucks, man. Honestly, think of all the things you could use this for. You could use these straps to hang your trash up if you were worried about animals getting in them.
And your clothes.
Yeah, your clothes. These straps have so many uses with the carabiners. So this thing is a win for me because we're about to put the camera, turn the camera off and put this thing through its paces. I'm kidding, guys, unless she's down for it.
But look, I mean, it all squeezes down in this little pouch. That's what's really awesome with the amount of space that we try to save in the Jeep. It just all collapses down in a tiny little pouch.
Well, so think about this. You're out here in the woods. You're lounging around. Say you're on your phone reading a Kindle because we don't have service out here. And then you're ready to take a nap. You just drop your phone or your beer
Yep.
in that little holder and you take a nap. And so, yeah, I am a hardcore fan of this thing. Baby, what do you got to say about it? Anything?
I love it.
You love
I
it.
love it.
And I mean, come on, guys. That name, if there is a brand name that suits us, it's that one. So, Bear Butt, if you guys got something else you want us to look at, send it on. We're here. And we'll put our bare butts in it for you. All right, guys. As always, Thank you for watching Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Please continue to like, subscribe,
And ring the little bell.
ring the little bells, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out.
I was going to say, I thought you were going to skip it. But you're good.
I got it.
All right. Peace out. Boom, I stole it.